Hello friends, welcome to our channel. As we all know, NEET results has been declared and counseling has also been started. And in this NEET counseling, we already know that 15% of the seats in an institutions are meant for all India quota and rest of the 85% are meant for state. So the 85% of seats meant for state quota shall follow the instructions of state government and respective authorities concerned. In this video, let us see about those 85% state quota seats and NEET counseling in Manipur. So before going to it, please like the video, share it and subscribe our channel to get more information. So if you go to the official website, so www.manipurhealthdirectorate.in is the official website, and this is the main page that we get when we go to the official website. So here you can see they have given home, about us, medical, at glance, notifications, exam result, contact us, acts and rules, RTI and archives. So here if you click on notifications, so this is the page that opens, and here you can see they have given notification regarding application form for counseling for selection and nomination of candidates of MBBS, BDS, BASLP courses for the academic year 2021. So if you click on this, so here is the notification that has been opened. So here you can see they have given the schedule for NEET counseling. So this might be offline in Manipur this time. And here you can see the activity and the corresponding date. So issue of the application forms is between 3rd to 7th November 2020, and the last date of submission of the application form is on or before 11th November 2020, and issue of the acknowledgement card is between 16th to 20th November 2020, and the first counseling will be held on 25th November, and the second counseling will be held on 7th December, and mop-up first round will be held on 14th December, and the venue of the counseling is also been given here as main auditorium hall JNIMS Porampat, and the cost of application form is given to be 650 rupees for general and OBC and 400 rupees for SC/ST candidates. And further information of the counseling process and the further information of the counseling process will be uploaded on their official website www.manipurhealthdirectorate.in or can be had from this directorate. So again, if we go to the main page, so here they have given notification for NEET UG 2020 qualified list of candidates for Manipur, and here they have even given the qualified list, and if you click on this link, so this is the PDF that gets opened, and here you can see the merit list of NEET UG 2020 qualified candidates of Manipur. So here they have given the candidate's name along with their roll number and category and the NEET ranking. So here the candidates list has been given in accordance with the NEET rank, and the candidates can check whether their name has been given here or not. And this PDF contains almost to 79 pages, and the last rank is for 8,18,522. All the best for candidates. Thank you for watching our video, and if you have any doubts regarding this, you can drop your queries in the comment section and we will try to clarify it as soon as possible. Please do like the video and share it, and please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon given below to get the notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day. Guys, NEET UG counseling is very tough this year. So if you don't have enough knowledge about counseling and choice filling, so just WhatsApp on the given number and get idea about colleges and counseling.